Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is enthusiastic. It is pronounced N-thu-z-as-tic and is spelt E-N-T-H-U-S-I-A-S-T-I-C. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Enthusiastic is an adjective that means having or showing intense and eager enjoyment, interest, or approval. It is often used to describe someone who is excited, passionate, or eager about something. For example, you could say, the children were enthusiastic about going to the zoo, or the teacher was enthusiastic about her students' progress. The word enthusiastic comes from a Greek word, enthusiasmos, which means divine inspiration or possession by a god. In the popular children's book, The Magic School Bus, Miss Frizzle is an enthusiastic teacher who takes her students on wild and educational field trips. Her passion for science and learning is contagious, inspiring her students to explore and discover the world around them. Synonyms for enthusiastic include eager, excited, passionate, zealous, and avid. Antonyms for enthusiastic include unenthusiastic, indifferent, apathetic, and unenthused. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, enthusiastic. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.